Hello, hope y'all are good. Welcome back. If we haven't met before, I'm Brianna. Nice to see you. So today I'm using the ColourPop Strawberry Collection. I thought the strawberry collection was really cute. One of the more unique ones. I wanted to do a look with that. And I was really inspired by LoftJet. He did some really beautiful makeup on Becky G, like a really graphic eye. And being I have hooded eyes, it's very hard to do a graphic eye and still have like kind of definition there. So I wanted to play with that. A graphic eye, kind of keep the skin clean, simple, you know. Euphoria makeup, right? And I've had that pink little puffy jacket for a second and it was just the moment for it to shine. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, thumbs up. It all really helps a lot. I have Halloween stuff coming that's gonna be really good. Stay tuned. Let's get into it.
Let the feelings take control. 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 Mama told me to be loved. Mama told me to be loved. The feelings take control. Let 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 the feelings take control.
for watching. Hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you haven't. Subscribe.